everyone and welcome to my channel. Christmas is just around the corner and this year I decided to make Christmas sweater ornaments for my Christmas tree. So this video is kind of an introduction of what is coming up. I made a total of 6 different designs, and in the next upcoming weeks I will release the videos showing you how I made these Christmas sweater ornaments. I will also have the patterns available and you will be able to download them for free. The first one is going to be this cute little Christmas sweater decorated with a Christmas tree. We will be using colorful beads to decorate the tree. The second one is going to be this cute little reindeer. Isn't he just adorable? I think this one is my favorite from them all. The third one is a pretty funny one. It will be Santa stuck in a chimney. Next one up will be a simple little sweater decorated with a Christmas wreath. In this one, we will be using a combination of felt and beads. Fifth will be an adorable snowman with a hat and a scarf. And the very last one will be this cute little gingerbread man. If you think this is something that will interest you, head over to the local craft store or do some online shopping and join me in this journey making these cute little adorable, not so ugly Christmas sweaters. I will list the materials you'll need in the description box below. See you soon!